What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to turn off keyboard sound on POCO F6. So first of all, open a app in which you can use keyboard. Now to turn off this annoying sound, tap on the settings icon on the keyboard and then tap on preferences. Now here you will see a sound on key press button, so tap on this button to turn it off, and after turning off this button your keyboard will not make any sound when you will press a key. Now you can see there is no sound whenever I tap on a key. So that's how you can turn off keyboard sound on your POCO F6. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.